Recent research has unveiled a fascinating link between genetics and stroke recovery. Led by UCLA Health, this study delves into how specific genes influence the recovery trajectory of stroke survivors. The findings published in the journal Stroke suggest that genetic variants are strongly associated with outcomes such as depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, and cognitive health. Dr. Stephen C. Cramer, the study's lead author, emphasizes the need for better predictive tools. In the big picture, the issue that we face is that, when somebody has a stroke, it's hard to anticipate what's going to come next, said Cramer. This research aims to fill that gap. The study highlights the role of certain genes in determining stroke recovery outcomes. For instance, the 6,265 rupees gene variant, linked to brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, is associated with poorer cognitive outcomes. BDNF is crucial for learning, and about 20 to 30% of people possess this variant, which slows BDNF release. Your brain gushes out BDNF when you're learning new things, Cramer explained. Additionally, gene variants 4,291 rupees and 324,420 rupees were linked to higher risks of severe depression and PTSD symptoms post-stroke. Conversely, the 4,680 rupees variant was associated with lower depression and PTSD symptoms, showcasing the complex interplay between genetics and recovery. Dr. Cramer underscores the importance of personalized medicine in stroke recovery. Traditional predictors like age and baseline health offer limited insights. People want to understand what their trajectory will be, Cramer noted. Clinicians need improved methods to tailor treatments to individual patients. This study's genetic insights could pave the way for personalized approaches, allowing doctors to anticipate recovery trajectories more accurately. By understanding a patient's genetic makeup, healthcare providers can develop targeted therapies, potentially improving outcomes and quality of life for stroke survivors. To explore these genetic associations, Dr. Cramer and his team conducted an extensive study involving over 700 stroke patients across the United States. They examined a range of candidate genes and conducted detailed behavioral assessments of cognitive health, depression, PTSD symptoms, and other deficits for 1 year post-stroke. The study found significant associations between specific genes and behavioral health outcomes. Environmental factors such as stress also influenced genetic expression. The more stress they reported, the more the gene variant was associated with poorer outcomes, Cramer said. These findings highlight the intricate relationship between genetics, environment, and stroke recovery. The study's insights hold promise for future stroke treatments. If validated, these genetic discoveries could enable healthcare providers to predict recovery outcomes more accurately. If these discoveries are validated as accurate, you could look at someone on the day they have their stroke and say, "I know that on average you are at higher risk of a poorer outcome regarding cognitive function a year from now," Cramer said. This knowledge could guide the development of targeted therapies, such as cognitive rehabilitation or drugs targeting specific gene receptors, ultimately leading to more effective, individualized treatment plans. In conclusion, this groundbreaking research sheds light on the genetic factors influencing stroke recovery. By identifying specific gene variants associated with depression, PTSD, and cognitive decline, the study offers valuable insights for developing personalized treatment strategies. While further validation is needed, these findings could revolutionize stroke care, enabling healthcare providers to tailor interventions based on genetic profiles. As Dr. Cramer envisions, the idea is that you could divide people into different groups and use that knowledge not just for prediction, but hopefully one day for improved, individualized treatment. The future of stroke recovery may indeed lie in our genes.